Are you ready to capture more leads, engage your audience, and streamline your marketing process? In today's full 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to create powerful forms in HubSpot. And even more, whether you're a beginner or already familiar with HubSpot, by the end of this video, you'll be able to create forms that convert like a pro. Let's start with why HubSpot forms matter. Forms are essential for collecting contact information, qualifying leads, and driving your marketing campaigns forward. And with HubSpot's updated 2025 interface, creating forms has become more intuitive than ever. Go to your HubSpot dashboard, navigate to Marketing in the main menu, and select Forms. Click on Create Form. HubSpot will give you multiple options, including embedded forms, pop-up forms, and standalone pages. Choose the one that suits your goal best. For example, embedded forms are great for landing pages, while pop-ups are ideal for capturing attention during site visits. Pick a template or start from scratch. The drag and drop editor allows you to add fields like name, email, phone number, or custom questions. Make sure to only ask for the information you truly need. Fewer fields often mean higher conversions. Configure your form settings. This includes setting up follow-up emails, assigning form submissions to specific lists or workflows, and customizing your thank you message or redirect URL. Preview your form to ensure it looks perfect on both desktop and mobile. Once satisfied, click Publish. HubSpot will provide an embed code or link depending on the type of form you created. And here's the more part. You can analyze your form's performance over time, go back to your form's dashboard to track submission rates, conversion percentages, and sources of your leads. You can also A/B test forms to continuously improve their performance, and that's it. You've just learned how to create forms in HubSpot and optimize them for better results in 2025. Remember, a well-crafted form is the first step in building strong customer relationships and boosting your marketing ROI. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more HubSpot tips, and share your questions or results in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.